Assalamu alaikum to you all and a very good morning. It's indeed a pleasure for me to welcome you all in Karachi, Pakistan's economic heart, Sindh's proud capital, a city that has always been synonymous with resilience, enterprise and innovation. Today's theme for the summit, course correction, redefining the direction, could not be more timely. Today, New York has elected a 34-year-old Muslim mayor. You can't be redirecting or course correcting any more than this. A few years ago, the city of Karachi also elected a young mayor, which almost we had to contest with people like the ex-governor of New York who contested against Zoran Mamdani, and we were successful. So the change started from the city Karachi and it's got to New York. Around the world, nations are reassessing their growth models, their governing priorities and their social impacts. Pakistan too stands at an inflection point. To move forward, we must redefine our direction towards innovation-driven, inclusive and sustainable growth. In Sindh, we are already pursuing that transformation. We are modernizing our industrial and logistic space, developing IT parks, establishing technology zones for which we are not getting permissions from the federal government. Aurangzeb Sahib is not listening. The technology parks that we are not getting permission from the federal government because of IMF conditions. Investing in energy transition, urban renewal and human capital. Our government has introduced reforms that simplify business processes, strengthen public-private partnerships and ensure that infrastructure development aligns with sustainability and equity. From Sindh's people housing for flood affectees to Karachi Safe City, from Sharai Bhutto to green projects, our approach is pragmatic, forward-looking and people-centered.